Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, August the 27th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures are little changed as traders await the closely watched earnings report from AI powerhouse Nvidia after the bell today, which may spark big market moves. Futures associated with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and Nasdaq are fractionally higher after each index gain Tuesday. Bitcoin is edging higher to trade at around $111,000. The yield on the 10-year Treasury is near flat. Oil and gold futures are declining. Number 2. Investors are watching Nvidia ahead of its highly anticipated second quarter report after markets close today. The AI chipmaker is projected to report adjusted earnings per share of $1.02 on revenue that jumped more than 50% year-over-year to $46.52 billion, according to consensus estimates compiled by Visible Alpha. Nvidia is expected to post its biggest post-earnings stock move in a year, according to recent options pricing. Nvidia shares are up less than 1% in pre-market trading. Number 3. U.S. tariffs on India doubled to 50% early Wednesday in response to the country's oil purchases from Russia. President Donald Trump has sought to broker peace between Russia and Ukraine and has been using tariffs to apply pressure to countries that provide support to Russia. Earlier this month, Trump announced that India would face an additional 25% tariff on top of existing reciprocal tariffs of 25%, and the Indian government in response said that the tariff was unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable. Number 4. Cracker Barrel Old Country Store shares are surging nearly 6% in pre-market trading after the company announced Tuesday night it would restore its original logo, potentially ending the controversy that angered some fans of the restaurant. President Trump weighed in on the controversy earlier yesterday, arguing that the restaurant chain should return to its original logo. Shortly after, the company announced it was returning to the original logo, earning praise from Trump. Make lots of money and, most importantly, make your customers happy again. Trump wrote. Number 5. Shares of Canada Goose holdings are soaring 14% in pre-market trading following a report that controlling shareholder Bain Capital has received bids to the company private. Citing people familiar with the matter, CNBC reported that Bain Capital is looking to sell its stake in Canada Goose, and that private equity firms Boyu Capital and Advent International have made verbal offers that value the New York and Toronto-listed firm at 8 times its 12-month average EBITDA, which translates into a valuation of about $1.35 billion. Canada Goose shares have added more than a fifth of their value this year. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.